Okay, what doesn't guarantee that a quadrilateral is a square? All sides congruent and all angles congruent, that's pretty much a definition. If you have a quadrilateral where that's happening, then you know that that's true. Okay, so that one's okay. Well, right, that'll get you there. Is a parallelogram with perpendicular diagonals. Perpendicular diagonals. Well, rhombuses have perpendicular diagonals, and perpendicular meaning forming 90 degrees. It doesn't make it a square though. So that one is looking like that's the one. But let's keep going. All right angles and all sides congruent. Well, here we have in that one all sides congruent just like that one. And all right angles is the same as having all angles congruent when there's 360 degrees to split up among four of them. So it's basically just two ways of saying the same thing. So we know that that will actually get us to be a square. And is both a rectangle and a rhombus? Yeah, you have actually a flow chart on your theorems page, and that flow chart shows you that this part, well, and here's how it breaks down. This part is saying, essentially saying it's got the all sides congruent part, and this part is saying all angles congruent part. So all three of the answers where that does actually guarantee that it's a square are saying the same thing: sides congruent, angles congruent. Okay, but the perpendicular diagonals, that can happen in a rhombus without making it also be rectangular, and so B is the answer.